Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I did this purple eyeshadow tutorial with a glitter under eye. I'm pretty much happy with how everything turned out. I will say, to me, I feel like I'm a little on the shiny side today. I don't know if I'm just looking at it too much and my mind is playing tricks on me or what. But other than that, I think everything looks good. First, let me say welcome back to my channel. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell to be notified every time I post videos. Follow me on social media, Chilee1990 on Snapchat and Twitter. Chilee1990 Makeup on Facebook and Instagram. And if you guys want to see how I completed this look, first look 2020, then stay tuned. Okay, so I'm gonna take my Makeup Revolution cut crease canvas in Halo and put a little bit of that on my eye. Then I'm gonna take this AOA Studio E107 brush and blend that out. You get something like that, and I know I look crazy right now, but trust the process. You may not know what brush me want to use. I'm gonna take this E.L.F. blending brush. I don't even think it has it on here anymore. No, it's kind of like it's fading. And I'm gonna take this NYX Ultimate Brights palette, and I'm going to take this light purple lavenderish shade out here on the outskirts of town and just pack a bunch of that onto my brush. And just pack that on the eye all over. Once you pack it all over like that, I want you to take a little bit more on your brush and use it to smoke out the edges so it's like super blended up top, just so nothing looks like a harsh beginning. Like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other eye off camera, and I'll be right back. If ever you feel like you're not comfortable with how something's turning out, just wipe your base and start all over, because you don't want to get all the way to the end and not be satisfied and then start all over from that. So you could, this is optional, you don't have to use liner if you don't want to, but I'm gonna take my favorite, my Wet n Wild Mega Liner in black. I'll just grab it like this. I'm gonna be using my EBS Faux double lashes. This is a double lash in number 42. I don't know if you guys can see it, but y'all will see it when I put it on my eye. And I'm putting that on with my favorite lash glue, the IMV by Kids Super Stronghold Eyelash Adhesive in black. I like the clear one too, but as long as I'm doing liner, I'm gonna have the black one on. And I just draw a thin stripe as close to the lash line as possible. Then I'm gonna take this Urban Decay Perversion mascara. I'm gonna clean up any fallout I may have, and we're gonna take a break from the eyes and move on to the face. Take my Pond's Dry Skin Cream. I'm gonna take something I haven't used in a few weeks, this NYX Bear With Me Hydrating Jelly Primer. This E.L.F. Poreless Putty Primer. That settles just a little bit. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless, and this is in 338 Spicy Brown. So I'm gonna take a beauty sponge. This is just a pop-off sponge from Shop Miss A. And I'm gonna use that to blend out the foundation. I'm gonna take my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is in the shade Fawn, if y'all can see that. Okay, so these are all the normal spots I conceal. So I'm gonna take that same beauty sponge. Then I'm going to take this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define, and this is in the number C15, and use that to contour. I'm gonna take, you guessed it, that same beauty sponge and buff it out. To take the brush I always use to do my contour. This is the AOA Studio F14 brush. She's a little stained, but I'm gonna take, I'm trying to see which one would be like tan, because I don't want to go too dark. So I think I need to go back and forth between Breaky and Bobby. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of Breaky, a little bit of Bobby. I want to do a real soft highlight today, so with soft highlight I want to do a soft blush. I'm gonna go into my favorite palette for blush, and my favorite blush at the moment is this Sister to Sister. I use it as blush. It's from the Queen palette by Fumi and Juvia's Place collab. I build it up. MAC Mineralize Skin Finish, and this is in Global Glow. I haven't used this in a long time, so I thought why not. And I'm picking this up with the E.L.F highlighting brush. Just brush it over just like that. Tap off any excess. This MAC Pigment, and this is in Melon. Anyways, we're gonna try and set the face now because we've made a big mistake. I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me in Medium Deep. This is a loose finishing powder. And my MAC Mineralize Skin Finish, MAC Mineralize Skin Foundation in Medium Dark. Purple glitter I got from the Magic collection. And this Blitzy Nail and Body Glitter and Lavender. And I'm gonna mix the two with mostly this Blitzy glitter with just a dash of that purple glitter. And I'm going to take this NYX Glitter Primer. You can take eyelash adhesive if you want to, whatever you use to make your glitter stick. And I'm going to take a little bit of that on the back of my hand, because it's just, you have to keep in mind, it's just for the under eye, so we don't need that much. And I'm picking it up with a smudge brush from Morphe. It's a Morphe M408 brush. This Maybelline Great Lash Mascara, and this is in Black Brown. And put 2 coats on my bottom lashes. Inner corner. Definitely want to do a shimmer, but I don't know what color shimmer. But I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil Rio Edition palette. And I'm going to take this E.L.F concealer brush. This is the tiniest brush I have. And I'm going to take this purple all the way down here at the bottom, this last purple. You want the purple? You want to keep the purple thing? I'm going to take this Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water, and just spray just a little bit on the brush after I already picked up the pigment. That's gonna do it for me. So I'm gonna take my Ruby Kisses Auto Lip Liner in dark brown. I kind of overdid it with the lip liner, but still. I'm gonna take my Crayon Case lip gloss, and this is in Private Party. I'm gonna take my NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray, spray that all over my face. Ooh. So I'm gonna take my Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. Spray that all over my face. I'm gonna take that beauty sponge we've been using and use that to press it in all over my face, avoiding my lips and my eyes and my eyebrows. Okay, you guys, so this is the completed look. I'm pretty satisfied with how everything turned out. Like I said, I can't really do much with my hair. I don't know how to do the whole bun thing. I'm trying to learn, but every time I do it, it'd be like little pieces sticking out. So hopefully I can perfect the braided bun before 2020 is over. We're 4 days in, so 5 days in. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'm gonna say like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell to be notified every time I post videos. Follow me on social media, Chilee1990 on Snapchat and Twitter, Chilee1990 Makeup on Facebook and Instagram. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.